Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about some numerical of one dimensional box. First numerical is the state of a particle of mass m in 1D rigid box in the interval 0 to L is given by the normalized wave function. Means we have given one dimensional rigid box of length 0 to L, means L like H 0 to L, and wave function is normalized. Psi x is equal to this. If its energy is measured, the possible outcomes and average value of energy are respectively. Means we have to find out possible outcomes and average value of energy, means expectation value of energy. We have given wave function psi x is equal to root 2 by L 3 by 5 sine of 2 pi x by L plus 4 by 5 sine of 4 pi x by L. We know that general wave function for 1D box is root 2 by L normalization constant sine n pi x by L. Compare this equation with this. We see that here n is 2 and here n is 4. Means this is corresponding to n is equal to 2 and here n is 4. Means this is first excited state and this one is third excited state. We have to find out average value of energy, means expectation value of energy is equal to probability corresponding to state, means first state E2 plus third excited state P4 E4. We know that general energy for 1D box is n square pi square h cut square over 2m L square. Means E expectation value of P2 is, this is our general wave function and this is our P2, means square of this is probability. Is squaring of this we have P2, means 3 by 5 square is P2 into E2. E2 is square of the 2, means 4 pi square h cut square over 2m L square plus P4. P4 is square of this, means 4 by 5 square into E4. E4 is n is 4, means 16 pi square h cut square over 2m L square. Here we have expectation value of E is equal to this, and in option we see that it use H rather than h cut. We know that h cut is equal to h upon 2 pi. Putting this value, we have expectation value of E is equal to 9 by 25 into 4 pi square h square over 4 pi square, putting h cut h upon 2 pi and 2m L square plus 16 by 25 into 16 pi square h square over 4 pi square over 2m L square. Now solving 4 pi square, 4 pi square, 4 pi square and 4 is equal to 9 over 50 h square over m L square plus 16 4 ja 64 over 50 h square over m L square is equal to 64 plus 9 is 73 upon 50 h square over ml square. Means we have expectation value of energy is equal to this, means this. Now we have to find out possible outcome. Possible outcome means possible value of energy corresponding to both state. Means first is E2, first excited state, and other is E4, third excited state. Now for first we have general value of energy En is equal to n square pi square h cut square over 2m L square. For E2 we put n is to 4 pi square, same h cut is h upon 2 pi, means h square over 4 pi square over 2m L square. 4 pi square is equal to h square over 2m L square here. And for third excited state, means E4 is n is 4, 16 pi square. Same h cat is h upon 2 pi, means h square 4 pi square over 2m l square. Pi square 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 is equal to 2h square over ml square, means this. Next numerical is an electron confined within a thin layer of semiconductor may be treated as a free particle. Free particle means V is 0 inside an infinitely deep 1D potential well. Means we have to given problem of 1D box and V is 0 inside the box. If the difference in energies between the first and second energy level, first energy level means ground state, first energy level means ground state means E1, and second energy level means first excited state, second energy level means first excited state means E2. Okay, difference is del E, means you have to given E2 minus E1 is del E. Then the thickness of the layer is, suppose A is thickness, we have to find out this A. We know that general energy for 1D box is, energy for 1D box is, we know that formula, an is equal to n square pi square h cut square over 2m a square. We have to find out this A. Here we given for first energy level and second energy levels, means E1 and E2. For ground state E1 we know that n is 1, and for first excited state E2 n is 2, means we that E2 minus E1 means 2 means n2 means 4 pi square h cut square over 2m a square minus E1 means n is 1 means pi square h cut square over 2m a square is equal to 3 pi square h cut square over 2m a square, and this difference is given equal to del E. Putting is equal to del E. From here find out a square is equal to 3 pi square h cut square over 2m del E, means A is equal to 3 pi square h cut square over 2m del E under the root, means this is our answer, 3 pi square h cut square over 2m del E. Next numerical is a particle is confined to a 1D box of length L. If a vanishingly thin means width is very small. Vanishingly thin means width is very small width, but strongly repulsive. Strongly means height is more, repulsive means potential is positive. Partition is introduced in the exact center of the box, means partition, let's this is box of length L, means 0 to L, 0 to L, 0 to L, 0 to L. Center, a partition is introduced center of the box and the particle is allowed to come to its ground state. Then the probability density for finding the particle will appear as, means we have in answer 4 graphs and we choose the correct graph. Here with that very small, thin, very thin means very small width, strongly means height is more, repulsive means potential is attractive. We know that for strongly repulsive means our probability goes on decreasing because attractive, and strongly means, another word is strongly means sharply, means suddenly. Okay, let's see in option D, psi x, we know that probability is wave function mode of scale, means psi star psi d. X is our probability, something running range is 1. In option D we see that probability is 0 at center, but we know that our particle lies inside this box, means probability can't be 0 inside the box. Inside the box means this is wrong because our particle exists inside the box. Now come in option C. Here we see that probability goes on increasing, but we know that our probability goes on decreasing because potential is attractive, which we have to given in question. Means this one is wrong. Now we come in B part. Here in A and B we see that word strongly is used, means sharply, suddenly. Here goes on decreasing probability sharply, and here smoothly means slowly. Means this is wrong because we use word strongly. Means our option A is correct. Please friends subscribe my channel for new upcoming videos, and thank you.